clouds pass by, I am the blue sky. Everything's always changing like clouds, we don't die. Matter in flux, break apart, building itself back up. Universe is a wonder like a diamond is gleaming. It's strangely amazing, everything rearranging. Here for a moment, hear me out, then I'm gone. Hope it's been worth it, like the end of this song. You stay bearing this cross, yeah, you gotta be strong. Bearing the weight of the cross to eternal life. The world pressing down on my shoulder, walking like Christ. If I'm gonna die young, Lord, please give me new life. Surrounded by darkness, but the Lord is my light. The devil weighing on me, but I ain't surprised. He's hoping and praying that I fall and I crash out. Evil weighing on me heavy like I'm lost in jail, but I won't ever smash out. Grit my teeth, roll the dice, stash my treasure in heaven, but is that where I like? Endure to the end, overcoming these men. If there's a jury and judge, kill me now at the end. Pray for me, Jesus, and please pray again. In the darkest of hours, from the smelliest mud, the lotus flowers, Jesus Christ is my Lord.
No mud, no lotus.